What's up, guys? My name is Kevin Griffith and this is the Holler Barbecue. Today we're gonna fire up the Blackstone griddle and do a pizza. The only thing about this one, there's no crust. So sit right there and let's get to going. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I got a really quick and simple Blackstone griddle recipe for you. Now this recipe is inspired by a restaurant up here in Oregon called Junkyard Extreme Burgers and Dogs. It's right outside of a small town called Junction City, around the Eugene area. And what they do is they cook all their burgers and dogs on a flat top, kind of like the Blackstone griddle, of course. They also do a thing called fried cheese pizza. No crust, just straight up cheese is the crust. And I want to try that out today. All right, so for ingredients today, I'm using just some green pepper, sweet onion, Canadian bacon, pineapples, some pepperonis, and whatever your favorite pizza sauce is. I'm just using this Classico fire roasted pizza sauce. And then cheese, and I'm using the Mexican 4-blend cheese. Use whatever you like, any toppings you like. Basically your cheese is basically gonna be your crust, build your pizza the way you want. I actually thought about doing a white sauce, but I didn't see one that I really like, so I'm just gonna do this one. All right, let's get going.
All right, guys, to start this cook-off with, I basically have 3 left burners on about a medium-high heat. The one all the way on the right side, I have as low as it'll go. And I want to start basically softening up some of these veggies and pineapple and some of the ham before we get them to the pizza, because this is not a traditional pizza, so we don't have an oven to cook them with. And then the pepperoni we'll leave right to the end, because those cook really fast and we don't want to get them overdone.
Same with the pineapples, just a little bit of soften. Said it's not going to be a very long cook at all. So once this cheese goes on here, will not take long. Let me throw a few pepperonis down now. So these pepperonis don't take long at all. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna turn this side one all the way off, because all this stuff is about warmed. As much as I want it. So now, let's make our crust with our pizza. With the cheese. We're just gonna do a really big thing here. We want it to start melting. Now you can make these as big as you want. Kind of gotta go fast here though. Let's put a little bit of our sauce on here. Now we'll start putting our ingredients on. Finally, we'll add just a little cheese on top now, just like you would do a normal pizza. All right, now what we want to do is just let that cheese on the bottom just continue to fry. You can see it starting to already. If your Blackstone's really seasoned really well, it comes off very easy. See how it doesn't stick at all there. And if the top isn't melting good enough for you, you can always put, a dome across the top of it. Before I'm taking it off, I just want to make sure that it's completely loosened. You can see how the whole thing's moving right now, right? Then I'm going to use 2 spatulas to actually get up under it so I can actually grab it. All right, guys, like I said, super simple, easy, quick cook. Let's go ahead. I'm going to actually cut it just like, I'm going to cut it just like a regular pizza. Let's take this one right here. See, it holds up pretty well, just like a normal pizza. Let me take a bite. Oh, it's pretty hot. Hold on. All right, let me get this one here. Take a bite for you. See, it holds up pretty good, just like a normal little piece of pizza. It's not burnt on the bottom. It's just that good, cheese on the outside of a quesadilla or the end of a pizza. If you've been watching my channel, you know I love that crispy cheese. Let me get another one of those. It's actually fantastic. All right, guys, super simple, super quick. Be good for, the upcoming football season. Just doing a little appetizer for people. Make them on demand even. Don't gotta worry about crust, don't gotta worry about anything, just real quick. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you try it, go ahead and let me know what you think below. Give me a thumbs up on this video if you liked it. And as always, you got any questions or comments about anything that I'm doing, just go ahead and put those below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And always, holler back.